Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, it's a dancehall skiller again. Big up and respect to each and every one, and viewers and subscribers, right about now, something we are going to talk about with this whole love triangle and jealousy thing, because it seems as if news is being put out there where this whole relationship and jealousy thing, someone is always ending up getting hurt. And I'm not talking about hurt by hard feelings, I'm talking like someone losing them life, right? And I'm saying this because of an incident that had happened in the parish of Hanover in the country of Jamaica, where it is said that a man that is in his 30s had hanged himself because of the relationship between him and his girlfriend had been terminated. You see me? And this said to have happened on the 8th of January 2020, right? And it is said that the girlfriend also tells the man to leave her house. So it's basically like she put him out. It is also said that the suicide victim was found with a sheet tied to the ceiling of a room and around the deceased neck. It is also said that the man went back to live at his mother's house because he was living with the girlfriend, and persons that knew the man that said to have hanged himself, it is said that the man had always been a jealous person, like him take relationship serious or him taking whole girlfriend thing serious. That's what I'm saying to you. It is also reported, or it is also said in reports, that the girlfriend that he had at the time, she had a baby father, and the baby father would come by the house where the girlfriend living, and every time the baby father come over, it starts an argument between the person that hanged himself and the girlfriend. You get what I'm saying to you? It is also said that there was an altercation between the baby father of the girlfriend and the man that said to have committed suicide. Alright, and based on reports that is out there, it would seem as if because of the altercation and dispute, or you can say argument, at some point the girlfriend decided to terminate the relationship or to end the relationship. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, ever since the relationship had been terminated and the man that had said to be the man that committed suicide went home to live at his mother's house, it is said that he had been saying that he was going to kill himself because his relationship with his girlfriend is over, right? And it would seem as if what he had said, he really meant it at the time, because now there's reports that this man had hanged himself. Is what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers. And that is another thing persons need to look at, you see me? Some of the times you hear people say that them are going to do certain things, with this maybe a suicide or whatsoever. Sometimes you must not turn a blind eye or cock your ears and pretend like you're deaf and don't hear what them say, because some of the times these people are going through some things in their head. You see me? You may never know what they are thinking. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? And above all, persons out there need to learn to love themselves. Love yourself so much that you can't even find yourself even thinking about this whole suicide thing. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, no one should ever be thinking of suicide, yo. You have to love yourself, man. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. Let me know what you think about something like this. Alright, until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skiller. Big up on yourself. You see it.